Have you ever wondered how hackers crack passwords? Every day, millions of passwords are attacked online. Weak passwords can be broken in seconds. Today, we'll understand how password cracking works in the simplest way possible. What is password cracking? Password cracking is the process of guessing or stealing passwords to gain access to accounts or systems. Hackers use different techniques to break passwords. Some attacks target weak passwords, while others exploit leaked databases or human mistakes. Brute force attack. A brute force attack tries many password combinations automatically. The hacker's software keeps testing passwords until the correct one is found. Simple and short passwords are much easier to crack. Longer passwords take much more time. For example, 1234 can be cracked quickly. A long random password is much harder. Dictionary attack. In a dictionary attack, hackers use huge lists of common passwords and words. Instead of testing every possible combination, they test popular passwords, common names, simple phrases. This method is faster than brute force attacks. Password database leaks. Sometimes websites are hacked and password databases are stolen. Hackers may then try leaked passwords on other websites. This is dangerous because many people reuse the same password everywhere. One leaked password can expose multiple accounts. Phishing attack. Hackers may also trick users into revealing passwords. This is called phishing. For example, fake login pages, fake emails, fake messages. The victim enters the password, thinking the website is real, then the hacker steals it. Keylogger attack. A keylogger is malicious software that secretly records keyboard activity. It can capture passwords, messages, credit card details. Hackers may install keyloggers through malware, fake software, dangerous downloads, Wi-Fi and network attacks. Hackers may also target insecure networks. On unsafe public Wi-Fi, attackers may try to intercept login data. That is why secure HTTPS websites are important. Why strong passwords matter. Strong passwords are harder to crack. A good password should be long, use uppercase and lowercase letters, include numbers, include symbols. Long and random passwords greatly improve security. What is two-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication adds an extra security step. Even if hackers know your password, they still need a phone code, authentication app, security key. This makes accounts much safer. Password managers. Remembering strong passwords can be difficult. Password managers help users store passwords safely, generate strong passwords, avoid password reuse. Many cybersecurity experts recommend using them. How companies protect passwords. Websites usually do not store passwords directly. Instead, they use something called hashing. Hashing converts passwords into encrypted data. This helps improve security if databases are leaked. The future of password security. Future security systems may rely more on biometrics, fingerprints, face recognition, passkeys. Traditional passwords may become less common over time. Now you understand how passwords are cracked and how to improve online security. If you want more simple tech videos like this, subscribe to Byte and tell me in the comments, how strong do you think your password is?